Be able to walk out with something that's going to last. So on a Bantu night out, even if it's successful, you might have 3 days, depending on your hair type. You might. So I'm going to show you 3 different techniques that I've done on the mannequin. She's still not super duper dry. I'm just going to show you the technique, and then I'm going to do a little bit on her. And then while you guys break up in your groups to learn some other things, I'm going to dry her, and we'll come back and take a look at her final result. Sound good? Okay. This one is the traditional Bantu night out, where you just roll the hair up. Oh, probably didn't dry well. You just roll the hair up and it'll be kind of clumpy like that, but a little more definite. This is a flat out, Bantu flat out.
Oh, I like that one.
This is best for kinkier hair types. That's what, I'm gonna roll it up on my finger like this. Oh. It's like a what's that word? Pin curl. It's like a pin curl. And then, so if you have damaged ends, you're in trouble on your Bantu night out.
What if
yeah. Here's another technique. It's the 2-strand twist Bantu.
I like that.
This one does work too for most of us because it smooths as you Bantu it. It's a little damp. When it comes to styling your hair with a Bantu night out, I would recommend using a leave-in conditioner to style it.
Event was by far the best natural hair event I think I've been to, probably ever. I've been to a couple of them since I moved to the area and in other cities, and what I love the most about this one is just the really hands-on nature, like really getting women to feel their hair, play their hair, do the different styles, being able to converse with other women and not simply just sitting in an environment where you're listening to a speaker and then you feel like at the end of the event you have to stand in the line and, line up and ask the presenter, all these different questions that you may have. So this was very great. The atmosphere was amazing. I enjoyed the light refreshments that we had. I enjoyed just being able to talk freely and among other people. People were really able to let their